Yo, this is not Chris, but I want to give you a fair warning. Please don't play with knives. She almost died doing this video. Thank you.
I just stabbed myself. I didn't realize I had this up. I'm just gonna leave this over here for stopping. Ow. Why do I keep hurting myself? I'm like slapping myself all the time. Like, yeah, welcome. Welcome. So I have so many bruises on me. At the end of this video, I might be a bloody mess. And I'm not talking about my period, okay? Yo guys, this is Chris. And today I am doing a very fun video regarding all my favorite small business shops that have to do with like pop culture art, goodies, plushies, art, things, weapons, as you saw earlier. I'm a danger to myself. So excited to share with you my favorite online shops. Let's get to business. The first online shop that I want to talk about is from my One Piece sister. She's a big One Piece nerd. By Alyssa de Celos. I think I'm saying it right, Celos. I absolutely love her. Her artwork is so beautiful. She does a lot of like painting portraits. And she also does self-defense kits, and her items are dangerously adorable. She has everything from a key that turns into a knife. Ha ha ha. Check this out. So I have it on my running keys, and I love to run at night. I think night running is what makes me more pumped than during the morning. Like I have more energy at night. So I'm always running at night. I'm always encountering hobos. I'm always encountering crazy people. And I never have any self-defense mechanisms except my creepy voice that I'm waiting to use on someone and be like, oh, you motherfucker. Yes. I can't use that because then I start coughing. So that's why I got it. I haven't gotten one of these. It's about time. Luckily, I have not been attacked, but I want to be attacked because I want to pull this freaking knife on someone, you know? Cut a nipple off. Oh my god, I'm so murdery. But this is it. And she has also like alarms. She has pepper spray. She has more of these. I think she even has a brass knuckle. But they're all so cute. They're all so adorably dangerous. So go check her out. She's also an artist and her art is beautiful. So this is the packaging she puts her stuff in. She also adds this. I just love packaging. Packaging is what makes the product. Go support her. Go check her out. Another of my favorite online shops is by one of my Fortnite pals, Truck Torrance from 100 Soft. So he is a super kawaii artist and he makes movie characters look so freakishly cute. He makes everything look so freakishly cute. I can't stand it. I've been following him for a couple years now. His artwork has always been the background of my video. I have a Guardians of the Galaxy Marvel poster that was, I think, a Comic-Con exclusive, and I have Avengers behind me. Let's see what else I have. I have the Stay Puft, I have the Kitty Fortnite Llama, I have Skeletor, I have Diva, and they're so cute. I can't handle the cuteness sometimes. Not only does he do like these really cute designs on his Instagram, but he does plushes and Airpod cases and stickers and pins and keychains. Oh my gosh, I will just give all my money to him. So he has Airpod cases that I'm going to show you. This is a RIP, a rest in peace one, and I'm stupid and I ended up buying the wrong one because I don't know anything about AirPods, and then I found out he made the other AirPod case, which I have. I don't even know what the name is, but it's a little garbage can. It talks. Look how cute this is. He also does these really cute kanji kitten plushies. Kimbap and Gimbap, twin sisters. So these are twin sisters of terror. And this other little one, Boomoo, little dinosaur cats. He has other plushies too. I have like a coffee keychain that's just chilling up there. He also does these dumpster truck figures, which I don't have. I need to buy one. It's like what he's known for, and I don't have one. I need to get me one so I can display it in the background. So check out his small business. It's 100 Soft. He's on Instagram, and I'm gonna link all his info below too, and you're probably gonna be giving him all your money, and it's worth it. So the next store, I actually found them via Instagram ads. It's like Instagram ads know what the hell you're doing 24/7. It's kind of creepy. Where's my knife? And I'm like, how do you know everything I like? It goes by, I think I'm saying it right, Kikilio. I saw these pants and I'm like, I have to have them. Of course, I don't have any self-control and I bought them and I later ruined them and then I cried and held a funeral. So what had happened? Yes, it's one of those what had happened. I ended up putting the pants in the laundry machine that did not work and it only exuded like super hot water. So the ink ended up fading away. The pants now look like this. I mean, it's still, it used to be more vibrant, but one thing that does suck is that they're made of polyester, and polyester is a little cheap, to be honest with you, because it's like a plastic, it's very synthetic, it's lab made. The quality of it, it's not the greatest for the price you pay, but you're paying for the design, you're paying for the art, and I just love it. So don't do what I did and trusted the damn laundry machine. Where's my knife again? I'm gonna stab it too. There's a lot of things I'm stabbing in this video, you know? I feel like I'm just gonna stab everything that goes wrong with me. So yeah, check out the store. I'm gonna link it at the bottom too. They have a lot of really cool designs. It's like an anime fan's dream there. So on to the next. I absolutely love lights and I love Mario Brothers. Like, it's one of my favorite games too. And I wanted a cool like LED light for my background, and you can see it already. And I ended up getting this really cool boo light. I wish I could turn it on, but I'm using all the outlets for all these damn lights to make me actually look decent, because without these lights, I look like that. I look creepy. Got this boo light from an Etsy shop from a master wood craftsman, and they are called, let me see, what's their name? Nerdy Wood 8008 on Etsy. Go check his work out. He does everything by hand. He's like I said, a master wood, you know, craftsman. He has Ghostbuster slime, he has Kirby, he has Super Mario, Mushroom, he has Mandalorian, the Pokemon ball, and so much more coolness. So I placed my boo light next to Skeleton Man, and that is my cute deadly corner where it's like lifeless, but you're really cute, so that's where you belong. And I love it. I have it behind my stream. It makes me so happy. And of course, I have no self-control and I might end up buying something else. Go check out Nerdy Woods' store. I have the link below. Next shop I want to feature is Fugly Barbie, and this is another one where I found them on Instagram. Instagram is a great place to shop, apparently. So they do really cool like romance novels designs on shirts, mugs, stickers, pillows, blankets. And they also have like really witty sayings too in a lot of them. And I ended up buying like a cat gang shirt, and also, oh, my mug is over there in between the lights. I have to go reach for it. I was gonna wash this and show it to you, but since I'm cochina, I'm just gonna show you my actual mug from this morning. It's a crazy bat lady. So this is like one of their many witty, cool designs. So this is one of their stickers that I ended up buying. I am not big on romance novels, and this kind of caters to the fanatic romance novel fan base. You know, once I did, you know, see a little graphic novel as a kid in the basement. You know, it had boobies, it had people like making out, basically naked girls, and I was like, oh my god, this is naked girls, but look at the art. And you know, I continued, you know, reading it. It was in Spanish, and yeah, that was like my first romance graphic novel, which was not really romantic. It was basically the Spanish version of hentai. So as a kid, I would read the Spanish hentai. Don't judge me. I just read it for the art. Yes. So check her out. She has a lot of really cute stuff there. So I'm gonna wrap it up with my final favorite online small business shop, and it's from my girl. I can't say this shop's name. She's from Germany. Tuahadedana? I don't know how to say it. I'm so sorry if I'm butchering your name, but I'm gonna link everything below. So this is a dark art couture artist that does these amazing headpieces, and they're so gorgeous. I bought one. I do a lot of music. It's like, you know, I think this would go great for one of my song covers, and I ended up buying it. And she handcrafts these headpieces and eyepieces all by hand. It takes a while to come in too. It's from Germany, but it's so worth it. It's so beautiful. So I put this headpiece on my skeleton. Look how gorgeous my skeleton looks. But check out the headpiece. It is gorgeous, all handcrafted. So that wraps up my favorite online stores. Go check them all out. Like I said a million times, I have their info listed below, and if you think there's a store you want me to check out, and let me know, because I have no self-control. I don't have a self-control manager right now, so please send me your link so I can just buy everything. You know, I love cute and creepy together, and that's my favorite mix. So tell me. I just spit all over the place. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Be sure to give this video a like or a dislike. I'll take any like you have. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe, and I'm almost to 666. That is my favorite number. I want to get to 666 subscribers. So please help me get to that point. And I keep spitting all over the place. What the hell is wrong with me today? I'm gonna stab my spit. I should really get that key away from me now. But thank you guys so much for watching my video. Be sure to catch me next time. I don't know what I'm gonna do next, but I'll see you guys later. Bye. Boop. Man, I was gonna stab myself again right there.